show our garden to our friends.
Yeah, good idea. That will be fun.
This is our backyard. We have so many trees here. We'll show them one by one.
This is summertime. Everyone likes to eat. Can you guess what is that?
Are you talking about mangoes?
Yes, I am.
This is our mango tree. We have so many mangoes on this tree.
Look, sister, a mango fell.
Wow, that's amazing.
We can ask mother to make mango juice.
We love to climb this mango tree as it is so enormous and so easy to climb.
This is lemon tree. We have lemons too in this tree. If you want, you can see that there are many small lemons. They look tasty. I can't wait until they grow big.
We have one more favorite fruit which all of us like to eat. That is guava. This is our guava tree. There are many guavas on this tree. They look so yummy.
Yeah, I love Goa incidentally because they look very yummy and tasty.
Literally, they look so tasty. I love this guava tree. They give so tasty guavas for us.
Yesterday we plucked some of the guavas and ate them. They are very tasty. We have Mosambi, papaya, dondi as well as dondi.
This papaya looks so juicy. I can't wait until they're ripe.
We even have neem leaves and mehendi leaves. These are neem.
We also have other plants and trees. We'll show them for you.
To see them, this is the way. Come on with me. This is a pomegranate. This looks very tasty and yummy. There are many on this tree. There are small and big pomegranates. I can't wait until they rise.
We have some flowers like hibiscus and many others.
Want to see them?
They look so beautiful.
See this flower. This is called a rose. And this is a pink rose. It's dead. And see this nice small rose.
It's growing right now.
See this. This is a leaf.
This smells so nice.
Yeah. This smells so nice, but we should not eat them. And this is tulsi. We can wash them and eat, and we can as well as eat the leaves too.
These are some other flowers.
And this is a leaf. See how nice is this? It's designed and nice. See this flower.
Uh-oh.
See this flower? We can keep this in our head. There are many, but there are many. Look, friends, this is and one more mango tree we have. This is the smaller mango tree. There are smaller and bigger. See this small mango. This is really very cute. There are many small mangoes like this and many big mangoes. See this hanging one.
We have one more delicious fruit, which is sapota at our front yard. They look so tasty.
I can't wait them to eat. I love sapotas.
There are some small sapotas and some are big. Some are ripened and some. See these sapotas, they look so tasty. Yesterday only we plucked some of the sapotas, which are these. They are ripened and they look so yummy.
I can't wait
Fantastic.
until I eat them. They are very yummy and juicy. See this. This is a sapota seed. We can plant it by keeping that in the mud.
It really looks so tasty. There are some other trees like jasmine, other flowers,
Look, this is a small mango tree.
and this is a lemon tree which is bigger. These flowers are kanakabras, which are orange in color. They are used to keep on our hair. This is a mehendi tree. And there is even a curry leaf tree. My mother makes curry leaves juice.
So we have so many curry leaf plants. Look at those. We have even white spots on these.
We also have Tamalapaku Chettu.
In our house.
This is used for tambulam and also for making killis.
This is the curry leaf juice. It is really good. See this.
This is the mango juice prepared by my mother from the mango tree.
Yummy.
Friends, hope everyone liked our garden.
We are spending most of the time in our garden.
Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay